In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Spotify desktop ID. Your Spotify ID is the unique part of your Spotify profile link that identifies your account. This can be useful if you need to share your profile, connect Spotify with another service, or confirm the exact profile identifier tied to your account. The good news is that you can find it very quickly using the Spotify desktop app. To get started, open the Spotify app on your computer. Once the app launches, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're already signed in, you can move straight to the next part. If not, just log in first so you can access your personal profile page. After you're inside Spotify, go to your profile. Look toward the top right corner of the app window where you should see either your profile name or your profile icon. Click on that and then choose Profile from the menu that appears. This will take you directly to your Spotify profile page. Once you're on your profile page, the next step is to copy your Spotify profile link. To do that, find the three dots on the profile page. Click those dots to open more options. From the menu, select Share, and then click Copy Link to Profile. This copies your Spotify profile URL to your clipboard so you can paste it somewhere and view it. Now it's time to find your Spotify ID inside that link. Paste the copied link into a text document, Notes app, browser address bar, or anywhere else you can read it clearly. The link will look something like this: open.spotify.com/user/ a unique username or account string. Your Spotify ID is simply the part that comes after /user/. So if the link ends with a username or account identifier, that final section is your Spotify ID. For example, if your link looks like open.spotify.com/user/example123, then your Spotify ID is example 123. Make sure you copy only the ID portion and not the full link, especially if a website or tool specifically asks for your Spotify ID rather than your profile URL. If your link includes anything extra, focus only on the section immediately after /user/. And that's it. That's how to get your Spotify desktop ID quickly and easily using the Spotify desktop app.